Good morning, Claremont. It's Mr. Plant with your Monday announcements, and I hope you've been able to stay warm all weekend. I'm wearing my thermal vest here so I can stay warm. The students are working on their Christmas videos, which you'll be able to see on the TVs in the lounge and in the main hall, so I'm doing the announcements for you today. Here we go. A pair of red Dr. Dre Beats earbuds have been lost in the school. If you have found them, please help out your fellow students and bring them to the office. I'm coming closer to turn the announcements on so I can read them as they move. Are you interested in computers? Well, who isn't nowadays? We are offering a dual credit course at Claremont that will get you secondary school credits as well as Camosun credits. A computer repair and maintenance course will be available starting in February, semester 2. Space is limited to 4 students. Talk to Mr. Beeston or attend a lunchtime meeting in the North Computer Lab at 11:45 during lunch this Friday. As of Friday, we had collected 300 gifts for our Toys for Teens gift drive. This Wednesday is the last day to donate in our Block 3 for our Claremont goal of 500 gifts. Jordana's class is still in the lead. Who does she think she is? Anyhow, Claremont's Got Talent is happening today at lunch, which you'll already have seen that happen, and tomorrow, Tuesday at lunch. Get there as the doors will close when the seats are full and no entry. Dance party. What? There will be a lunchtime dance party in the dance studio on Wednesday at lunch. I think I just dated myself. Donations are being taken at the door, $2 minimum, all proceeds going for Toys for Teens. The Claremont Key Club is continuing to gift wrap locker doors this weekend. Cost is $2. That was an announcement. Email just came in. Sorry about that ding. Outside the gym until Wednesday. Proceeds will go to buying teens toys. Moving on. Claremont is musically challenged. No, I'm musically challenged. They're not musically challenged. We have some musical events coming up. December 11th, that's this Wednesday. There's the band concert, choir concert, and December 18th. Sorry about that. Learning Commons. There's the cafe night. Let's just leave that. I love the music department. If you're interested in registering for the trades program, starting in February, you need to see Mr. Arsenault in the Career Center as possible. Shad Valley, I don't even know where that is. There's a deadline approaching though. Grade 10, 11, 12, if you're interested in a 4-week summer enrichment program, going down and living on residence at the campus, get down there. See Mrs. Pryor in the Career Center. It'll give you an advantage to post-secondary training. Attention grads. The grad winter dance is this Thursday. There are only 2 days left to buy tickets. Today, Monday, which will already pass by the time you see this, and tomorrow, Tuesday. Tickets are $20. Don't forget to buy your ticket. You get food, dancing, and a good time. Well, sorry about the screw up in the music department again. Oh, geez, now I'm just making it worse. Sorry for my mistake about reading the music department's announcements. I'm just going to quit and call it a Monday. That's it for today. Stay classy. Ding!